What's up guys? I bring this video to you, how to install twrp on the A7 2017 Galaxy. It is very cool to have twrp on the smartphone, a lot of security and confidence. That is the dream of consumption, why having a backup is very good. I'm going to show here the file that we're going to install, and I'm going to rename the file, an increment, Gara install, twrp. I recommend. Well, you're going to have to enable the unlock function per OEM, and the USB debugging that is in the developer settings. Guys, if you want you can advance the video. Guys, for now I do not speak English, I only know a little, but in the future I will make videos with my own voice. Folks, do it at your own risk, but I'm doing it on the A720F model, and it works by running Android 7.0. I also installed on Android 6.0. But I felt that it did not work well on Android 6.0. Guys. And from here we go to the settings, to see the model of the smartphone. Here guys, the model. Now, I'm going to turn off the phone, I'm going to record the video out, and I'm going to get into the recovery. Look here, guys. I go by the smartphone in automatic download mode, but it will not work, because it will already fall into the wait mode for the file. There, I go by it manually, because so much is that I do not find very secure the function of the recovery of playing the mobile already for the download, and neither appears the name of the model up there, as in manual mode. I'll connect the USB cable. Here, guys. No appears description no. Then I'll off and put it manually. Now I'm going to press the button, volume down, home key and finally the power off button. Doing this it will exit the download mode and it will erase. After it clears, you will press the same keys, volume down, home and off, and then, as soon as the screen turns on, you take your fingers off the keys, and then when you're on the green screen, you press the volume up button to continue. Guys. I'm going to open here the folder, which is the Odin, the drivers and the twrp that is with the name I there as you can see. And I'm going to open the Odin, and mark the square of the app option. They will come in zip format Odin and drivers, which I extract here in this folder. The twrp is not to extract, see how I am doing. Look. I click the app box, and click app. Clicking on app it opens the file manager by itself, there you will look for the twrp, and will click on the twrp and click on open below in the file manager of the PC, you will have the option to open. There you will go back alone to the Odin already with twrp loaded in Odin app. With the drivers already installed in the computer, and with the smartphone already in the download mode, and with the twrp already loaded in the Odin, you will put the USB cable in the smartphone. That will appear a green color in the Odin, saying that the smartphone was recognized and connected. Then you will hit start on Odin. The Odin recognition light is blue, the green is that the file has been successfully installed. I'm reacted here on the keys, because I'm filming and seeing another cell phone. Hey guys! For twrp is running faithfully. You will have to format the date through twrp. You are going to click on wipe, and you are going to format data, and they will type yes and click on OK. Done this everything OK. If you do not do this you can try of the error in everything that you do, backup, zip, everything will not work if you do not.
Any personal question, you leave here in the comments that I answer and subscribe to the channel.